In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add product preview content on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad and log into your account. After signing in, go to your dashboard and open the products section from the left sidebar. Now select the product you want to edit or create a new product. Once the product editor opens, go to the Content tab at the top of the page. This is where you can upload your product files and add preview content for customers. Click Upload File to add your main product content such as PDF files, videos, MP3 audio, images, zip files. You can upload files directly from your computer or import them from services like Dropbox. To create preview content, upload a sample file, preview image, teaser video, or free chapter that buyers can see before purchasing. For example, if you are selling an ebook, you can upload a preview chapter. If you are selling a course, you can add a short lesson preview. If you are selling music, you can upload a sample audio clip. You can also add extra content blocks like images, buttons, text sections, or media embeds to make your product page more attractive. Use clear preview content to help buyers understand the value of your product before they purchase. Once you finish adding your preview content, click Save Changes. Then publish or update your product. And that's how to add product preview content on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.